Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As I said in last week that I will be posting video 3 times in a week from Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. So today's video is not about football betting, but if you're into football betting and you wanted to try out new things like me, then this video is practically for you, because in this video I'm going to be talking about forex trading. Right, we'll be talking about forex trading basically in gold. So now let's get 2 or 3 things into order. So yesterday I gave out these trading tips in my analysis group, and it all went through. If you scroll down here, I cover my total loss because I cover my total earning here for 1 or 2 reasons. Now you can see here I saw, these are the things that I saw yesterday, and if you see, they all went into profit. All of these things went into profit. By investing less than $5 yesterday, I earned up to 35. Subtracting my $5 out of it, I made over $30 within some few minutes. But now you understand why big traders make millions of dollars daily basis, is because they invested a lot of money into this. For example, now if I show this one, I sell the X by the USDT just 0.02 and I earn $10. That's equivalent to $1 or something, you understand? So if I should put at least $50,000 each on all these trades, you should expect me earning something around spending something around $150,000, and at the end of the day I will be making over millions with that single trade. So I'm about to show you how to use this chart especially to make analysis. But first, you need some apps that you need to download. So if you go straight to your Play Store, okay, if you go to your Play Store, this is the first app to download, and it is called the FBS Trading Broker. So if you download this app, there are a few things. Today it's not about review, it's about educational video. So take things very serious. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start trading as a beginner, but there is much to learn. So if you need to learn more, I'll be having free crypto trading or forex trading class very soon. So I will soon be leaving the link under the video so that you can watch. But this video will be showing you 1 or 2 things about how I trade and it is successful. So now this is the app that I use for the analysis and all of that. So let's go straight to download the app. I have it on my other phone, which is I'm actually using. So let's click install, and while the app is installing, let's try to see. Please guys, recent app update isn't friendly. The VBI used to be an EO for real, but it's not anymore. FBI trading app is user friendly and deal with both beginner and experience. I don't think this is an app for review. This is not an app for review. You can choose to use it, or if you have any other alternative. There are a lot of brokers, so this is just one. I'll be bringing more of these brokers. Okay, so now if you open it, it will now pop you up to this particular place where you need to what? Register. Okay, you need to register with this account to move on with 1 or 2 things, you understand? But I'll just be signing up straightly with my Google account so that we can get in with this one. All right, so as fast as possible, you can see set a pin, and as you can see, if I like processing trading account, this may take few couple of minutes. So this is how the app the account really look like. So you can see it. I just want to show you one or few things. In the few couple of minutes, you see how to use the app. So this is it. You can deposit money into the account straightforward, and then at the same time you can withdraw money. So if you see, we have deposit of mobile money, USDT, Visa card, Bitcoin, and net teller, a lot of these is it. And then we also have the withdrawal column over here that allows you to withdraw money directly to any of your uh, preferred account. You have more, and when you click on it, you have trading account, profile, security, live chat, legal, blah 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 blah. You understand? You have funds, position. You can see I did not open any trade in this app as I just register, and this are trade. I mostly trade in this particular one, but I love trading when it comes to gold and all of that. So this is the chart. This is the chart. You need to study. I'll be giving out more details on this, but before that, let's look into this, and then I'll be bringing more update. If you really like this type of video, let me know in the comment section so that I'll be bringing more about this type of video. Okay, since this is the first time of me posting about trading on this channel, I won't like to go much into it. We just talk about the surface, and if my subscribers are good, we can actually divert and bring more updates on to this. So let's watch that video.
It pains by well. You have explained these things from the beginning of the class, but you guys were not taking it serious. Some of you come to my DM asking about how to take a trade. So this is how to take a trade. We always trade on gold. We all know the symbol for gold. So here is it. You come to your quote here. So here is it. You click on it. Then you have the trade here. You have the chart here. So we focus on these two, the chart and the trade. So if you want to take a trade, you just click on trade. This is the figures with the trading fees. So you have your signal when you come here, and the figure is not the same as the one on your chart. Don't worry, there is a fee or spread. So just go by your trade. So assuming this is the lot size, you can click here to change. You can click here to change the lot size. Click here to change the lot size. So this is for sell, this is for buy. Then this is where we set our stop loss. So a stop loss is given, let's say the trade I'm about to enter, stop loss of 70. Then I want to take TP, I want to sell, so let's say TP of 50. Then after setting up this, then you click on your sell here. So now you have entered into your trade. So you can also do modifications here. So but you click on it. If you click on it, you can see modify position. You can do changes as you can see here, just as I did. And you can also watch your chart. You can also watch your chart here. So there's the chart. You can change the time frame here, as you can see them here. You can change the time frame there. Then the rule, or forget the name, as you can see. You can also trade here whilst on your chart by clicking on this one. If you click on it, it will come with the lot size as it was displayed over there. So this is how to take a trade and some other features. You can also click here directly. Here, you can click here directly. Then you put in the figures. If you have to buy, you do the same. Sorry, if you want to exit the trade, if you didn't enter TP, you just push it to the other side. Then you click on this thing here. You'll see they will ask you to close your trade. Then you click here. So this is all about how to take a trade, and some features and your history too. Your history too here. There's a history and the chart, the code, displays the currencies you've added to your your watch list. We've done all these things.